So usitutishe ati rais a one term president. Pia watu wengine wanatutisha huko jana. Ati our job is to make sure William Ruto is a one term president. That is your objective. Hiyo tu. Just that. We live and work by the grace of God. There was somebody in this office, today is not here. Now he's giving us ultimatum from funerals. How he will make William Ruto a one-term president, as if that is an achievement. William Ruto's objective is not to serve for 2 terms. It is to use the time that God will give him in office to bring transformative programs in 1, 2, 3 areas and then leave so that other people can come and take Kenya forward. As his principal assistant, that is my objective too, to support him.